Hi friends, welcome back to Agape Science and Baking. I'm Tiffany and Avery? Avery! Let's go see if we can find her.
Is it? No.
Hey Avery!
Yes, Mom?
What are you doing?
Trying to find the glue.
But we're supposed to be recording. Oh, love. Why do you need glue?
It's because it's really icky and sticky.
Are you trying to do craft projects?
Yes.
Okay, how about this? Why don't you clean that up?
Okay.
And today's episode can be about glue.
Sure.
Sure?
Why not?
Clean that?
First, I need to find this glue.
Well, we're going to make glue. So clean that up for me. And I need you, so Avery,
Yes?
why don't you go ahead and get that cleaned up?
Sure.
And then I need you to find me 2 balloons because we're going to need those for our project.
Sure. I can find them easily.
Okay. And then I'm going to meet you in the lab.
Sure.
All right.
Sure thing, Mom.
Bye, kid.
Meet me at
Okay, let's try this again. Hi, friends. Welcome to Agape
Agape
Science and Baking. I'm Tiffany.
And I'm Avery.
And today we're going to be talking about icky, sticky glue.
Yeah.
Do you want to tell our friends what we got?
Yes. We have some water. And we have
Flour.
We have
All-purpose flour.
We have all-purpose flour, and we have newspaper.
Yeah, we've got some shredded newspaper pieces.
But Mom, what about the glue?
Well, we're going to be making glue.
Oh.
But before we do that, we have to ask our Brains at Work question. So, today's Brains at Work question is, what is the strongest glue ever made? Any ideas, Avery?
Yeah.
Okay.
For glue? The glue?
For glue, yeah. The strongest glue ever made. Do you have any ideas?
How about we make some glue that can never break off?
Ooh, that would be really, really hard. But do you have any ideas about the strongest glue ever made?
When you put it on paper and when it dries a lot and then you put more glue and then it dries more, I think that makes a lot.
So you think layering the glue makes it stronger? Okay. What about you guys at home? What do you think? What is the strongest glue ever made?
I think they agreed to me.
You think they agree with you? Well, I'm going to give them some time to think about it.
Me too.
You too? And in the meantime, let's get started making our glue. Avery, to the kitchen. Okay, friends, so we've got our glue ready to go, and we've got our balloons. So let's blow up our balloons. We don't want them super big.
I can go as big
like
as
medium.
I can.
Medium size. Okay? That's good.
I think this is not enough for mine.
No, that's good. That's good. Too big, too big.
This is good?
Yeah, that's good. Are you ready?
Mine's
Can you
a
tie
little-
it, or you want me to tie it?
I don't know how to tie one. I never tied a balloon before.
Okay, I got it. Okay. So we're going to put our newspaper into our glue, and we're going to take off some of the excess. And then we're going to...
Excess.
That means if there's too much. And then we're going to put it on our balloons like this.
Why?
Because we're going to make papier-mâché. So papier-mâché is going to be, it's a craft made out of usually flour, water, and newspaper.
Can
So,
I try?
yeah, so what we're going to do, it's going to get messy. You ready?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Kind of like baking soda.
So what we're going to do is we're going to make bowls. So we're not going to cover the whole balloon. We're only gonna do part, okay? Okay? Like the bottommost part.
Wait.
So here, that's
So-
for you. So you're gonna put it on the bottom.
Right here?
Yeah.
Oh. I have a bad feeling about this.
Why?
I have a bad feeling.
Is it sticking?
Yes.
Okay.
It's really
So,
sticky.
I would say, look.
It's really
So
sticky.
you went that way. So I'm gonna put this one this way. And I don't want you to go past that. So you're gonna go all the way around in a circle and then cover all of that with paper.
Sure.
Okay. Do you want me to hold it for you?
Sure.
Okay.
It's going to be really sticky.
It is. Oh, look, there's a piece already in there.
Oh. I didn't see you.
It is definitely very messy. I think that's what makes it fun.
Messy makes fun. Messy makes fun.
Messy makes fun.
Yes.
Let's see.
Uh-oh. Whoa. This is huge.
It's huge.
Very huge. Whoa.
I made our glue kind of thick,
Yeah.
which is good.
Why?
Well, that means it should hold really well.
I need your help.
Let's put it right there. Uh-oh.
No.
Here. Push it down. Good.
Now I'm going to get a little bit more in there.
Okay. Well, that one went a little high on us.
I put 3 just in case.
So, Avery,
Yes.
do you know why glue sticks?
Yes.
Why?
It's because it's very sticky.
Well, there's a little more to it than that. It comes down to force. So force is what helps hold all of our sticky parts together. So for instance, there's a thing called, yeah, you can put it wherever, just as long as there's an empty spot. So for instance, whenever we, let's see here, whenever we glue something like right now, what we need is for our paper to stick to our balloon, right?
Yeah.
So there's the adhesion. We need the balloon to stick to the glue, which in this case is going to be our homemade glue, the newspaper of the flour and water mixture. And then we need our flour and water mixture to stick to the newspaper, right? But we also need the flour and water mixture to stick to itself. That's cohesion. So we need to make sure that not only is it strong enough to hold the newspaper to the balloon, but that it's also strong enough to hold together and not break apart. That makes sense?
Whoa.
Does that make sense, kid?
Yes.
Yes?
This is very slimy.
Yeah, it is very, very slimy. So, right here. Go. Ooh, let's go sideways with it. There we go. Good stuff, kiddo. And you don't want any pink holes.
Why?
Here, look. Oh, because we're going to make a bowl. So, do you know why our flour and water work as glue?
No.
Well, there's gluten in flour.
I know.
You know that part?
Yes.
And gluten is activated when it comes into contact with water. Water actually makes the molecules in the gluten sticky.
This is actually very, very, very sticky.
Well, that's a good thing. That means that once it dries, it should stay on really well. And we should have see if we can make some pretty cool looking bowls. You're doing a really good job, by the way.
Thanks, you too.
Thank you. Hold on. So what we're gonna do now is I actually spray painted our paper mache white. That way our paint adheres a little bit better. And we're gonna paint them. You ready?
Yes.
Okay. So I've got for you, I've got some green paint.
I want the other one.
You want this one?
Yeah,
Okay.
because it's more browner like me.
Okay. I got you some green paint because the outside of a watermelon is what color?
Green.
Okay. So, and I've got yellow paint because the outside of my lemon is
yellow.
Yep.
Hey friends, so we have our bowls that are going to get food in.
Well, maybe not food. Maybe they'll just like hold some change or something.
Yeah.
But our paint on the outside is dry. So now we're going to flip them over and we're going to pop our balloons.
What? With what?
I got some scissors. So we'll pop our balloons and then very carefully, very gently, we're going to try to pull the balloon out without messing up our bowl. Do you think we can do it?
I'm not.
You're not sure? You ready to try?
Yeah.
Me too. Let's get our friends in for a close-up, okay?
Get loud.
It's not going to get loud.
Okay.
Are you ready for mommy to go first?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Oh, it got loud. Oh man.
What?
It popped too quickly.
I look, you did it on the top.
I know. I was actually thinking it wasn't going to pop, but that we should have done 2 layers. Let's see if we can get this out now. Whoa. Whoa.
Hey friends, my mom made these yummy Rice Krispie treats. We can save some for our Gigi and Rhonda, right?
Yes, we can save some for Gigi and Rhonda.
Yes.
But we made these because the marshmallows act like glue. to hold the Rice Krispie treats together, right?
So that's why we put marshmallows in it, and I ate.
You did steal a marshmallow. But before we taste these, we've got to answer the brains at work question. Do you remember what it is?
No.
The brains at work question is, what is the strongest glue ever made?
Indicalorium.
It's what?
It's indicalorium.
Indicalorium?
Indicalorium crystals.
I haven't heard of that, but
And then they have like those glue, and then they have diamonds. And then when you have the glue, they put them on the diamonds, and then they stick them on the wall. So that way they can shine. And that means that they can roll their forces, and then we can make them into people.
Okay. Well, the answer to our brains at work question is Monopox. That's the strongest glue that was ever made, and it was used to lift a 17-ton truck in the air. That's a really big truck. Really, really big. The glue holding our Rice Krispie treats together, not quite so strong, but I bet you it's really tasty. You ready? Let's do it. So, how's it taste? It would have been even better if we could have used our homemade marshmallows, but we had to use up all those marshmallows we used for our science experiment.
Mom. I like to say,
Look.
Marshmallow.
So remember we talked about...
That's a marshmallow.
I know, we talked about adhesion and cohesion.
Yeah.
So look. Cohesion is the glue sticking to itself. So if I keep pulling and pulling and pulling, see how it breaks?
Like this, right?
Whoa. Yeah. All right, friends. Thanks for joining us. We hope you learned something new and had a blast. We'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe
to our YouTube channel,
and share it with a friend. Bye.
Bye. Now let me finish this. God loves you too, and God always will love you.